Welcome to the Lock Haven University Clearfield campus. While we would love to show you around in person, it is best for your health safety and ours that we don't. We all know that things can't be the same, but that doesn't mean we can't show you some of our favorite spaces on campus and let you know of just some of the things we offer here at our Haven home. So, let's get started with Founders Hall. Founders Hall is the oldest building on campus. This building houses most of LHU Clearfield's in-use offices and classrooms. Let's visit my favorite space, the Cab Lounge. The Cab Lounge is a great place for students to hang out, study, grab a snack, or sleep. Anything you need to do as a college student to relax. The best part? There's a GA, that's me, here part-time that's always happy to chat with students. Well, some of the current students would probably argue that the best thing is the giant beanbag chairs, the coffee bar, or the student refrigerator, but there's no one here to argue with me. If you're looking for free teas, this is the place to be. Was that a bad joke? Don't worry, I have more. While the Cab Lounge is my favorite, it is certainly not the only place on campus for students to hang out and study. There are several other great indoor and outdoor spaces that you could discover for yourself when you enroll. Next up is the main office. Here you can usually find the associate director on campus and our lovely secretaries Terry and Amy, and sometimes a student worker, all of whom are happy to answer any questions you may have or help you solve any of those crazy problems when you don't know who else to turn to for answers. Sometimes they don't have the answers, but they know who does. Maybe you need a tutor. While they can't tutor you for classes, they can forward you to the office that helps with that, the Student Learning Resource Center, which we refer to as the SLRC. Welcome to the SLRC. This is a great place to study, alone or with a group, find a tutor, or get help with editing a paper for class. This office also has a part-time GA that can help you with any other random questions you encounter in your academic classwork. Speaking of academics, maybe you'd like to see a classroom. I'm sure you can imagine we have lots of these, but this is one of the most used. Welcome to 003. Let me just say, these are some comfy seats. And while I know it's not a main priority, being comfortable can make any situation a little better. Let's look at another classroom. This one is located in the academic building. Most of the classrooms at Clearfield are fitted with some great technology that allows us to partner with LHU main campus professors and students for some of your classes. Back in Founders Hall, you can find a couple of science labs used for classes. This particular lab is the biology lab. With small class sizes and some truly caring professors, you should definitely get the time and attention you need to learn all those crazy science things. Jumping up 2 floors, you can find the campus library. I hope you love books as much as I do, because we have lots of those. See, I told you I had more bad jokes. Anyway, as I'm sure you can imagine, the library is a great place to study and has a number of tables or desks for you to spread out at and do your schoolwork. In addition to books, you can rent board games, DVDs, magazines, tech equipment, and more from the campus library. If there's something else you're hoping to find, just ask the library staff. Many students stop by here to print papers for their classes, but if all the computers are in use, your next stop is the computer lab just down the hall. All of these computers are free for student use. If you have a group project or an online exam, this is a great quiet environment to work in. Our last stop is the nursing department, which is the most popular program on campus. This wing is found on the lower level of Founders Hall and conveniently houses the majority of the nursing faculty offices, a classroom, and hands-on equipment. There are certainly some places we missed in this tour, including most of the academic building. The academic building mostly contains some classrooms and the offices for criminal justice and the physician's assistant faculty. These are certainly places you can check out more when you get a chance to visit campus yourself. In the meantime, we encourage you to contact the campus with any questions if you are interested in learning more about LHU Clearfield.